American Graduate Getting to Work is looking at pathways to employment after high school. This week, we are featuring West Virginia's CTE programs.
This is the Wetzel County Tech Center. This is the new welding shop. Everything is brand new.
We currently have 13 students in the welding program. Our students here, they can do different welding tests, different certifications in welding. We also do what's called simulated workplace, and that's something across West Virginia, and West Virginia leads the nation with simulated workplace. We include drug testing. We stress the importance of attendance. Show up, test clean. Those are the two biggest things we're hearing from industry. That's what they need.
Our welding game has stepped up from just plate welding to pipe welding to different processes of welding, to flux core, to MIG, to TIG. We've got new machinery, updated machinery. We've got abilities for the students to make projects, signs, fireplaces, trailers, log splitters. This shop is fully equipped to make anything we want to do as a work simulated project.
We have a 5x10 CNC plasma machine. This machine is definitely the ornamental side of welding. Our students have learned how to use different programs to design what you would want. Perhaps it's a sign and you want a silhouette with your name.
This is our plasma cutter. It runs off of a programmed Inkscape. You make the drawing, then you put it into sheet cam where you set the thickness of the metal and how it wants to cut it. Because there's a beveler and then a plasma cutter, so you could choose which one you want. This is our logo we made here out at the center. So first it should cut in the inside, then go around and cut it out. It's also going to cut that inside.
Right now in this area, the jobs are booming. With the oil and gas industry, they need welders. We have a lot of construction trades around here, a lot of new projects going up with cracker plants, coal fire furnace plants, projects, repairs. The coal mine has a lot of industry working it for welding with the repairs to the equipment, which requires MIG welding and pipe fitting. A lot of these construction trades around here are taking apprenticeship programs. They offer those for these kids to get into.
Yeah, I've always wanted to be a welder since I was 5 or 6. You could need a welder at 3 in the morning to weld a piece of pipe that burst through the night, right, or fix something like that. And I've seen the opportunities you could have with it, so I went with it.
We hope that these kids will leave here with jobs, or the ability to get a job, or the ability to open up their own business, or the ability to carry on at a trade school and continue on. And so far they're proving that they can, and they are.